Hello everyone, I'm Chef Rahila and we're back again for another episode of the Miele Kitchen Experience. I hope everyone has been keeping safe. Please remember to keep practicing proper hygiene and social distancing. Today we're going to be making pizza, but not just any pizza. Can you guess? Guess now. Nope, that's wrong. We're going to be making suya pizza. So suya is a street food that originated from the northern parts of Nigeria. It's basically grilled beef that is coated with a mixture of spices. This episode is going to be so much fun. Come on, let's get started. First things first is your dough. To make the perfect pizza, you need good dough. For this recipe, I'll be using some warm water, salt, yeast, and of course flour. I'm going to be adding my yeast first into the warm water to dissolve. When that is done, I'm going to take all my ingredients and add into my mixer. You know you have the perfect dough when you poke your dough and it bounces back at you. So while we wait for our dough to rise, let's make our tomato sauce. The sauce makes the pizza. This is why it is important to get it right. You'll be needing tomato puree, water, olive oil, garlic, salt, some black pepper, onion powder, dried oregano, basil, and some rosemary. First thing you want to do is add your olive oil into a preheated saucepan. Once that is done, add your tomato puree and leave to simmer for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add your dried ingredients followed by your water. The water gives the sauce a lighter consistency. So now it's time to make suya, my favorite part. Growing up, I remember eating suya a lot. As a matter of fact, I still do. I even remember struggling for the last piece of suya with my brothers. That's how good suya is. Anyway, let's get started. To start, you'll need salt, some seasoning, yaji, which is the suya pepper, oil for glazing, and beef. A great tip is to select steak because it's the perfect cut for grilling. To make our suya, we will be using the Miele barbecue grill. The barbecue grill has lava stones which are gotten from the volcano. This gives your food that char taste. It also has a feature to control the temperature in order to ensure even grilling. Alternatively, you can make your suya using the Miele Smartline induction hob together with a griddle plate. Our dough has risen, so I'm going to roll it out. It's time to assemble our toppings. The first thing on the dough is our tomato base. Then we're placing our suya on it. Typically, suya is eaten with tomato and onions, so we'll be adding that to our pizza. As we all know, there's no pizza without cheese, so we're going to be finishing off with a generous amount of cheese. So it's time to pop our pizza into the oven. For this, we're going to be using the Miele Intensive Bake, which is one of the special features of the Miele oven. The Intensive Bake gives you a crispy base while maintaining moisture on top. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you try out this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Once again, I'm Chef Rahila. Until next time, bye!